xy, small letters, sigma xy divided by under root sigma x square into sigma y square. This is to be there. So here it is wrong. So now that's why you can see here, this is a small letters, this is also small letter. We should not take the big one, a small letter only here we should take. So x y, now 9 small letter, 6 also under small letter, means x y, 9 6 are 54, 6 4s are 24, 3 into 2 6, and here 0. The same way 3 into 2, 6 into 4 24, 9 into 6 same. So this is here, this total if you are taking 168. So what I did again, once again I am revising you. X value is given, y values are given. These are the two variables to find out the Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. Here we have taken the actual mean method. When we should take the actual mean method, when mean is coming without any decimal, means here 21 is a whole number we are getting. Here y mean also we are getting whole number 12. So that's why it is easy than the direct method. Because direct method we may take some more time to calculate because the numbers are very high. So that's why if you go for the mean method, then it's easy for us. So mean, here x mean is taken, that is calculated. For calculation of mean is sigma x by n. Sigma x bar is equal sigma x by n. So for y bar is equal sigma y by n. So this is a y bar. So here it is 147 by 7, 21 we got it. So now small x, so to distinguish this one, that one, both are x only, that's why here we denoted in the first ABCD x, here second ABCD small one, small letter. So now how you got this one? X means a big one minus x bar. So small x, I am showing here x small one is coming, x minus x bar. Same way y small letter is coming, y minus y bar. Okay, so this is what y got it. X bar is 21, then 12 minus 21 is a minus 9, then 15 minus 21 is a minus 6, 18 minus 21 is a minus 3, 21 minus 21 0, 24 minus 21 3, 27 minus this one 6, 30 minus 21 9. So we got it. The same thing we have made a square. Square means x into x square. 9 9 6 6 3 3, like that we have taken this one. So the same way the y also first mean has taken. Mean formula here I give you sigma y by n. Sigma y is a 84 is given here. 84 divided by 7 we are getting here 12. So the 12. So this is a, now y minus y bar small y comes. So 6 minus 12 minus 6, 8 minus 12 4 minus 4, 10 minus 12 minus 2, 12 minus 12 0, 14 minus 12 plus 2, 16 minus 12 plus 4, this is a plus 6. Now the same thing squared. 6 into 6 36, 4 into 4 16, 4 0, this is a total 112, this is a total 252. And now here product of x and y, that is small x and y. So earlier we confused, big we have taken because of formula wrong. For actual formula is, this is the actual formula, sigma, that is r is equal sigma xy, that is small one, divided by sum of x square and sum of y square. This is a product of these two. Now so this one we have taken, total of this one 168. This is a 168. Next 250 x square, here we have taken 252. This is a 252 into, next here 112. This is under root. So if you are taking here, you are getting 168. 168 divided by 168 is equal to exactly 1. Answer is coming here exactly 1. 1 means here we should give the perfect positive correlation between x and y. So this conclusion also I have to give finally. Conclusion is perfect positive correlation between the x and y. So this is, so given x value, y value, so then we have to take the small x, small y, the same small x square, small y square, then product of x and y, bas, this much only. So once you know the formula, what to be done, what are the other columns to be calculated, you can come to know. So there are the values are given, the only x value, that is a big one, y value, this is a 2. To calculate small x, what we did it, sigma, sorry, first one is sigma x by sigma, that is n, we got the x bar value, x bar, then minus x value, then we will get this one. The same way y also. Y also we are getting first, what to be done, total sigma y by n, then here it means what, y bar minus y, you are getting small y, then this product, then that square. So easily you can calculate. So you are getting everything is easy, and getting answer is 1. Although here if you see the differences, yes, 12, I think it is a 3 table, here 3 table, here 2 table, so same proportion is a changing. So 3 table, 2 table means the difference is constant, that's why answer will come exactly 1. The earlier also we showed. So whenever they change in both the variables in the same proportion, then answer will come exactly 1. That is a perfect positive correlation, because it is increasing, that also increasing. If it is a ulta, if you are taking 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, then answer will come exactly 1, but it is a minus, the negative correlation, because x is increasing, y is decreasing, then there will get the negative correlation. So this is a actual mean method. Further more we can study the later also. Here r is equal sigma xy by root of sigma x square into sigma y square. So this is what the same thing, only here it is. So this is a mean method, actual mean method, Now here direct method, this is a direct method, this is a deviation method or shortcut method or deviation method, step deviation method also we can say it. Now one direct method we can see x value, y value. For example, take the 5 table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 5, simple will take. Then here we can take 3 table or the 2 table or 4 table also, doesn't matter. 4 table, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Both are simultaneously increasing. So let us go for the direct method, how it is coming. The direct method formula, y used r is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y under root again n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. The same way here, even y, n sigma x y square minus sigma y whole square. This is the formula. Now by seeing this one, what are the things necessary? Here x is there, y is there. The x sigma means total, I can calculate. Next xy also necessary, xy necessary, okay. This can be calculated. Next x square also necessary, okay. X square here we have taken. Next y square. Next one is a y square, because here y square, here x square, then y square. Bus. Now we can complete within this data. Now let us see here. 5 5 5 15 3 5s 1 5 7 75. Now here 8 16 20 2 4 5 6 6. Next 5 4s are 20, 8 10s are 80, 12 15s are 12 5s are 60, 6 12 6 are 18. Next 32. 500. Now see 0 8 8 16 4 20 2 2 3 5 10 11. Now x square 5 5 into 5 25, 10 into 10 100, 20 15 into 15 225. Next 20 into 20 400, 25 into 25 625. The same way 4 into 4 16, 8 into 8 64, 12 into 12 144, 16 into 16, how much it is? 16 into 16 100, and 16 into 16 256. Next 20 into 20 400. Now this total 10 10 20 2 7 7 11 17 18 1 5 7 7 8. Is it correct? Correct. Now 1 2 3 4 5 correct. 5 5 5 15 1 3 5 7 6 10 10 30. 5 5 5 15 1 5 7 correct. 10 10 13 correct. So these are all sum. Sigma x this one, sigma y this one, sigma xy this one, sigma x square, sigma y square. All the things we can write here. So how much values can be written? Sigma x is equal to 75, then sigma y is equal to 60, and sigma x square is equal to 1375, sigma y square 8820. Clear? Then sigma xy is equal to 110. and n is equal to here, n is equal to 5. So these values are given and calculated. N is 5 and here sigma x is 75, sigma y is 60, xy is a 1100 and sigma x square is a 1375, sigma y square is 880. Now according to this formula, if you are substituting n is a nothing but 5 into sigma xy value is 1100, this is a 1 minus sigma x 75 into sigma y 60, completed. Now next here under root, first x value 5 into sigma x square 1375 minus sigma x 75 whole square, 75 whole square. The same way into means in between 2 into, then root again 5 into y square. Where is y square? 880 minus next y 60 square. Now product 5500 minus 0, 6 5s are 30, 3 is there, 45 divided by, now under root, what are the number coming, you see, first one you multiply this one 1375, 5 5s are 25, 2 5 7s are 35, 37 3, 5 3s are 15, 18 1, 5 1s are 5, 6 685, 6875. So 75 squares, 75 squares minus 5 5s 25 and 8s 56, 0 here 5, here 2, here 1, so 1250. Now the same way into 50, 5 8s are 44, 5 8s are 40, 44, 44. Now 6 into 60, 360. So it means 4400 minus 360, 0 4, is it not it? 10 4, here 330 4, so it is coming 4040. Is it correct? Correct. 60. Here 0 36. So 0 here 800. So means 3600. Coming here 0 55 minus 45. Okay, 10 divided by, now here difference you see 800. So here 1250 into 800, how much? 000, 8 5s are 44, 8 2s are 16, 22, 8 1s are 8, 10. So this is what you are getting. So the same, if it is a square, 3 zeros it will be. If it is a square, this is a square. If this 3 zeros will go out, so then automatically it comes to just only 1000. So 1000 into 1000 is equal to 1 is the answer. So this is also again the perfect positive correlation. So once again I will give the same x value, y value is given. Then formula you should know it first. N into sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by under root first n x regarding x, the same one regarding y here. N sigma x square minus sigma x whole square, same way n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. If you know the formula, what to be done easily, what are the columns required, I can easily find out. Here sigma x is there, sigma means total, and sigma y here also total is taken. Then sigma xy, this xy, this total also taken. So that is written here. What are the sigma x, sigma y, and n sigma x xy and sigma x square y square, everything data is written, and the same thing substituted. So while substituting the value we should take care. So then we will easily we are getting answer is 1, exactly 1. So this is a direct method. This method is easy when the data is given smaller and easy one. So if it is a bigger one, you see calculation a little bit difficult. So at the time better always go for the indirect method or shortcut method or step deviation method, that is easy. Then instead of taking directly one of the numbers we are assuming. By assuming, then deviation has been taken place. Then here the same formula will come, but simply only difference is n sigma dx dy, sigma dx, sigma dy, same way n sigma dx square, sigma dx, but all yx here we have to use their small x, small y. So sigma small dx dy and dx dy, all everywhere the same, only d is inserting because of deviation. Here deviation is not taken, even assumed mean also not taken. So when assumed mean is there, already we have discussed it. That one is assumed mean. So this one is the formula for the assumed mean. So this is a direct method. Okay, so this is easier, this is a easier. So if they are not asking such a method, so method, we can follow this method also. So at the time you will not get this much time also, easily you can calculate. So tomorrow we will complete that method. Okay, thank you children.